Yo, yo, yo. What's up, peoples? What's up? What's up? What's up? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Let's see what we got going on in the markets today. Benny, what's good? What's good? All right, let's do some analysis on gold. See where gold is at today. All right, starting with the daily. Daily's bullish. We haven't really had much movement today compared to other days. 760 pip Asian session. Not bad actually. Had a very big push to open the week. Little gap. Not bad. 4 hour. Very tiny bottom wick, but respected that previous 4 hour low. So if we push above this resistance, I think we could continue up. So my first target would be 50.78. For the buys up to this next 4 hour resistance, and if gold comes back down, maybe this previous resistance, but I normally look for daily key levels, so it's a pretty strong drop, about 3,000 pips. We'll see what gold does. But for now, we need to just get up out of this Asian range, see what happens if we get another retest of Asian highs, because we are making, this is what we're kind of doing on gold right now. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe a retest of resistance, maybe a closure above, continue up, but it would really need to push above 50.45 for the buys. But yeah, it's gonna be another waiting game with gold as per usual. As per usual. Not Benny Rose, you guys taking any trades today? What's your London session looking like? So it's quiet. Yeah, same here, same here. Wasn't really looking actively at London, to be honest. Dum 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 dum. But I think, yeah, I do like the idea of gold buys today. That's what I'm leaning a bit more towards. Daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish. If we can close with a strong support here, I think we can continue up. A nice push up from last week. Maybe a retest of Asian lows. If we don't get the immediate breakout, like a bit of a pullback. Because it looks like this level here. Keep coming back to test this support. Looking at NAS, why don't move the daily? Looks like the indices are rebouncing as well. Rebounding, getting a push back up, which is great. In fact, where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin was just getting trash this weekend. Oof. Not good. You guys think Bitcoin's still going to drop some more? Probably a bit lower. I know, right? I know, right? So I'm looking for... We got some nice bullish structure on NAS. I don't like this as a demand zone. I have to wait. Maybe down here. You want the most previous level, the most current level to be broken. So if we get a push up here, if we get a push up, then this would be the demand zone right there. So I'm gonna wait for that. Come on, Goldie, wake up. Think it's gonna rain all day. So we don't really have a heavy news day today. We're good today. It's tomorrow onwards. Now we've got mad news. Retail sales, NFP, unemployment claims, which aren't really that bad, but CPI on a Friday. Oof. But this is good. If CPI is going down, that's a good thing. That's good. That means higher chance of a rate drop. But I think the first rate cut is expected to happen in June. In June, I believe. Yeah. From what I've read. Yeehaw, hello. How you doing? How you doing? So we're still... these 30-minute candles are still pretty big. Although we don't have much volume today. Not much volume. Yeah, how the market's been treating you, man? How's gold been? How's gold been? Are you still using the you still looking at the supply and demand strategy? I've been looking at it for gold, but I don't really see it on gold recently. Using the 5-minute. It hasn't been very nice. John, how are you? Good evening. Back in full swing. Nice. Ready for the new week. We're ready for the new week. Well, are we bullish or bearish on gold today? I'm bullish on gold today. If this 4-hour can give us a nice strong bullish candle, I like some gold buys. Ideally like a retest. Continue up, something like this. Or even a bit lower if it comes down to Asian lows. Something like that. I'm looking for some retests. So let's see. Ace, what's happening? You're very ready for another hustle. That's good. Hopefully Monday sets us up nicely. Monday's either very nice, like it trends nicely, or it's very slow and rangy. But I think we have quite a heavy news week coming up, so gold might just be chilling for now. Hopefully not. How was you guys' London session? Anyone take any trades during London? London session got 33 USD only. It didn't really do much, did it? It really didn't. But I was saying earlier, it looks like where gold is got like a minor, I'm getting a little pullback from this resistance. So it looks like we're making lower highs coming down. But I'm still anticipating some buys back up. Haroon, what's good? Looking for a fruitful week. Listen, I know, man. I know. This week we should have a lot of opportunities this week. A lot of opportunities. And our retail sales, I don't think retail sales is going to be like crazy volume. NFP, yes. And CPI. So Wednesday and Friday, I'm expecting some real good moves. Real good moves. Once gold leaves the box, I sent you a message on Discord. I expect the anticipated move terribly. What are you thinking? Buys or sells? Oh, okay, like a breakout of this area. A breakout of this, yes. So this is the box right here. Yeah, no, definitely. I think we get a good, you know how it is. The longer we consolidate, the bigger the breakout. Usually. It's a good thing you said that because I don't get notifications when I'm streaming for Discord. It's all silent. But yeah, I like the idea of a retest before the push back up. So I don't mind if like gold plays this Asian range. Plays this Asian range. So come back down to come back. We're saying gold is going to drop some more, come back down, retest. The way it's jumping up and down 30 pips. Ace, did you get your magic keys to work yet? It still slows. Oh man, do you know what? Maybe when you get the physical ones, it will work better than the on-screen. Because it uses it's like a plug and play. Hopefully that works better for you, because it's a good thing to have, man. Really good tool to use. I need to find mine actually. I don't know where mine is. I just prefer the on-screen one. My keyboard is very old. I got version 1 or 2. I think version 2. Looks like a nice continuation pattern here. If we break this low, I think we get a nice push down. This is not bad. Yeah, keep me posted, keep me posted. Didn't quite break the low. Well, it did break the low, didn't get that drive down there. Come on, Goldie, drop. See, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for these retests. Right here. Or maybe even all the way down to... maybe even Asian lows. But I just hope we don't range all day, man. Oh, so we didn't get that breakout there. I was actually looking to see if we could find a new demand zone. Continue this uptrend structure on the 5-minute. Fine. Should get another retest of Asian lows. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. This candle should drive down. We've got a nice resistance to lower high. Just keep pushing. Come on, gold. You've made your top wick. There we go. I think gold wants to stay in the 5,000s though. I think we stay in the 5,000s. It likes it up here. It likes it up here. So yeah, give us that retest and then stay bullish. Do you guys have any target set for today? So on my 5-minute time frame, I had this level marked out earlier. But this is quite a pullback. So I don't know if we get a bounce here to continue up. I still want a retest of a bit lower. Who's shorting? Not yet, not yet, not yet. What's your... Are you in shorts already? If I was going to get into some sells, up here would have been ideal. Up here, retest of this resistance. That would have been the best place for me. But now I'm looking for a retest of this support for a push back up or a closure below the support. Really, I want a closure. I want price to push below 49.69. Then the daily will be bearish, will be below Asian lows. Yeah, that'd be my best place. Yep. But yeah, I'm looking for buyers today. Really, my main bias is buys. I got a short from market open and left. Which market open? From London or hopefully not Asian, because that's a big swing. It's a very big swing. Because London would be what? Around here? Around here London is. That demand zone might play out. Really? That's there. kind of want price to come down though, so I kind of hope it doesn't. Well, how big would this be? So we go for at least a 1-to-1. 70 pips. Be like 70 pips. Let's see if this plays out. I think we should continue short this week, really. Yeah, well, it depends on how the news plays out, right? Depends on how the news plays out. That will determine whether I'm buying or selling. But I don't know, higher time frames to me, they're quite bullish right now. So unless I start seeing some bearish structure, I'm gonna be bullish on gold in the short term. So I like trading with the higher time frame. So, you know, 4 hours bullish, daily's bullish. I prefer to take buys. I would prefer. And then gold, what are we doing? What are we doing? Do you reckon it's gonna play out? It's getting close. Good thing about this strategy is pretty much you can do 1-to-1, 1-to-2. Yep. But the 1-to-1 depends on the stop loss. Depends on how big the zone is. I was so close. Is that it? Is that TP hit? I think that's it. Nice. That was nice. Little quick trade there. So we had a break of the highs there. Demand zone. Pullback, retested the zone, closed above. Entry on the flip. Or entry off the zone. 1-to-1, 70 pip stop loss. Not bad, not bad. We're still continuing up. Bum, 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 bum. GJ's falling. GJ. GJ is falling. Pound are going through some. They're going through some elections, aren't they? Look, tell the last time I traded GJ. Jeez. I think there's pound news this week too. GDP. Pound news. But yeah, Japan, they're going through something. I can't remember exactly what it is. I think it's, yeah, general elections, I believe. So yeah, that GJ might be an interesting watch this week, actually, just based on that. Because depending on who's in power, we might get some yen strength, depending on their policies and stuff. So yeah, that's a good shout, Rosie. Good shout. That's a resistance. Yeah, it might not be a bad watch. This is good. I like gold closing bullish. This is what I want. I want it to I want this 4-hour candle to be more bullish. Boom, boom, boom. A 4-hour candle doesn't look like this on a Wanda. I mean on IC markets. It looks more like the Wanda one. Interesting. Oh shit. Might have been able to get a 2-to-1 out of this trade, really. Right? If it was like 70 pips, what's a 2-to-1 would be risk reward. Not bad, not bad. If the candle closes below the support, the target will be the next support where those green candles jumped and left the space. The space needs to be filled. Oh yeah, this gap right here. Yes. No, 100%. I kind of want... The thing is, because we've got Asian lows right here as well, I would prefer if it wasn't just a closure below here, but a closure below Asian lows. Yeah. But then obviously we have this area here. So I like this support because it's had multiple retests. You know, we wicked down into it. Yeah, the market is going back to 6,000 USD. I mean, that's the price prediction by the end of 2026, they're saying now. They've increased the forecast to gold at 6,000. I mean, as long as we get the rate cuts, which I think the first rate cut they're saying might be in June. So we still have 4 months. Not sure when the next one is going to be. In fact, let's do... Okay, no, not there. How do I find it? Here. When was the last FOMC? Was it December the last one? Wasn't the one in January? Wait, what's the rates now? So this is mid. Yeah, it's not gonna be for a couple months by the looks of it. They're saying mid 2026. That's when they're gonna look to start cutting. Hopefully there's no more government shutdowns as well. All right. Ooh, could this be the higher low? If we break this high, maybe push up. I just hope it's not another late move, man. That's really what I hope. This is what I'm looking at. It's gold making higher lows. It's also making lower highs. So we should get breakout. This could just be a wick down tap. Gold is funny. It may not come back to retest. Instead, it keeps on flying like an eagle. It may not. It may not. Like I said, it may create a high low. It could push up. This 4 hour, I mean, I would prefer for the buyers that the 4 hour candle, this current 4 hour candle, didn't break that previous low. So it's just looking for somewhere to get into the buyers. Okay, we've got a little 5-minute support. I hope we don't get another late move today. I know. I hope not too. I hope not. Americans might be chilling after the Super Bowl. You know what? That's probably the main reason why I missed London session. Like I wasn't trading it. But yeah, I stayed up to watch the game. It wasn't a bad game. It wasn't popping though. Like on consolidation, like this one, I sometimes set buy stop and sell stop in case of any direction. I kill it in every direction it goes. You know what? It's not a bad strategy. Set some levels outside of the range. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea at all. Gold really is like the consolidation is getting tighter though. So we should get a push like very soon. Let's see. You know, the highs and lows, they're getting closer together. Come on, gold. Waiting for NY open for volume, I think. That might actually be the case. We talking about gold or NAS? Well, NAS definitely, but maybe for gold too. It's true. Dobby, what's happening? You alright? How's it going? How's your London session been? How's your trading day, trading week started? Oh, you're flying out. Oh, geez. Where are you going? It's a good time to fly out, man. It's flipping cold. Do you know, it's not even too bad today, but still. Anytime is a good time to fly out of London, or the UK, I should say. Oh, Argentina. Nice, nice. How long are you going for? What's the time zone there? Because they are they called South America? Oh, not bad. They're only 3 hours behind. 3 hours behind us. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Yeah. Argentina, 3 hours behind us. It's not bad, man. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. In some buys at the moment. Yeah, I've definitely got a bullish bias. 2 weeks, wicked. Oh, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. I need a holiday. I need a holiday. Yeah, cool. That's not too bad then. Are you gonna be trading while you're away? I try not to trade when I'm on holiday. Last time I went to, where was I? I was in Cyprus. And Cyprus had a weird time difference. And I just didn't bother trading. I didn't bother. Just enjoyed my trip. Taking losses on holiday is not great. It doesn't put you in the best mood. I'll do a bit of trading out there when I'm chilling. Okay. Taking wins on holiday is great. It's like, yep, I'll get the next round in. Not bad. So this is a week to be traveling. So we got retail sales tomorrow, NFP Wednesday, CPI Friday. It's a heavy news week. Be careful out there. Trading in the sun. Damn, man, that's the dream. That's the dream. That's the dream. I think if I travel, because I want to do some traveling, I want to go away for like maybe like a month or 2 months. Yeah, like somewhere hot. Yeah. Those are disasters to prop firm traders. News 40% profit share. Oh man, the trading around news, or the restrictions around news trading on prop firms is crazy to me. Because it's like they don't, I don't know why. It's like they either want people to obviously not gamble their accounts or whatever. But I mean, if people blew their accounts, it's only beneficial to them. But yeah, I know a lot of prop firms that say you have to trade 3 minutes. You can't trade 3 minutes before or after news. You have to wait like for a certain period of time before you can actually take a trade. But if you have a live account, I mean, personal account, you don't have to worry about that stuff. You don't have to worry about any of that. Very silly rules. Very silly. Very silly. Okay, now it's still coming down. I swear NY session always dumps gold. I don't know, man. I think like I said, I'm bullish. So I think we finally break above 50.37 this resistance and then keep pushing up. So I like the fact that we've already come down and retested this support and pushed up. So here I was kind of anticipating that we might get another retest, but at the same time I like that gold has made a higher low. See, it's like, I'm just go to the top. So I'm kind of, you know, anticipating we get another push up, or even like this. Not drawing very great lines here because that should be down, but yeah. Well, this is looking like a high low to me. So I like it. I like it. 4 hours bullish. Daily candles bullish. You know, we've already broken Friday's high. You know, I like the buyer's bias right now. I do. Gold just got to follow through now. Oh shit. Why did you move over there? There we go. Yave. So let's see. If we get a closure above this resistance, this also looks good. Kind of get a break of structure. Still 10 minutes left though. I did want this 4 hour to finish with a strong body. So you're looking for buyers only once it breaks resistance? No, well, at this point, really, if the new 4 hour candle, depending on what the new 4 hour candle looks like as well, I actually wanted some buyers from a dip. I was looking for buyers from down here. Right down here. Even if I got a retest here, like it retested a previous support, I like the buys up as well. But ideally, I wanted price to come down. So either this support or maybe dip a bit lower to Asian lows. But I'm kind of glad it didn't come down to Asian lows, because I didn't really want gold to break. I didn't want this 4 hour to flip bearish and close below. But yeah, a retest would have been great. A retest would have been great. So now, I don't like the structure, to be honest. I don't really like the structure. So I would prefer if we cleared the range. I prefer if we did clear this range here. So yeah, probably a closure above, continue up. That would be a solid confirmation for me. Also be breaking previous 4 hour highs. Yeah. That's yeah. So those are the two ideas: a retest of support or a closure above resistance. And I'll be in. But I don't really want to trade within this range. I did see an earlier potential though. This was a nice move. Had a little demand zone here. Had a potential move. This. So this usually go 1 to 1 or 2 to 1. So 2 to 1 would have played out nice. I mean, it kept on going. Shoot, look, 3 to 1. Really, I think it comes back up to the top, but not a bad move here. And at least a 1 to 1. I had that drawn out earlier. But market open in 6 minutes. Right, I gotta clear these wicks to the left. Gotta clear these wicks right here. Gotta get past these wicks. You can't have more rejections at this level. Another rejection. You know? I need a strategy for figuring out where Nas is gonna go when market opens, because you always get like 100 pips out of it. Let's check. To the moon, please. Pay for all those steaks. Oh, Argentinian steaks, man. Argentinian steak houses. You're getting the real deal. Oh, this is a good push. How low was your entry? Where was your entry? 49.97. Oh, you got a nice entry. Oh, that's pretty much the area I was looking at earlier. It was around here, yeah. Pretty much where I was looking. And a few more up a bit. Okay. 5,008. So adding entries into it. Nice. This is good. Yeah, man, I think we get up to at least 40, 50, 50, 37. So 5037. Back up to Asian highs. I think we get there. Market open. Go on bottom wick. Bottom wick. Break the high, push up. Break these wicks to the left. Go on drive. Nope. These swings, man. Gone. Now, if this 4-hour can push above the previous 4-hour high before it closes in the next 28 minutes, definitely taking buys on a new 4-hour candle. Once it gives a bottom wick, breaks the high, takes off, I'm in. Jeez. Business class upgrades. Nice. What do you do? Flash your phone, yeah? Tell them you're a Forex trader. What a push. Off you go, gold. Business class and some pips. Alright, I've got a whole 27 minutes left of this candle though, so I just hope we don't get a rejection and then stay closed in the range. Come on, Goldie. Gold is about to fly right past that shit. Only if this trade goes well, I'll ask for upgrade at the airport. Nah, this trade is definitely gonna go well. Look at this 4-hour candle. This is exactly what I wanted. Strong, bullish 4-hour candle body, and it's ripping right now. This is perfect. Ooh. Come on. Get to the resistance. Get there. Close above. Breakout. Do not stay in this range, please. What's wrong with your phone? There you go. How you trading from a TV screen? You're bugging. Now I need to see. I need gold to break these levels. Ooh, nasty rejection. Come on, refill that wick. Boom, 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 boom. Go on, it refilled the wick. Go on, fly. I need to see it break 50, 41. It's 100 pips away. We can push back up. It's flying. It's getting there. It's getting there. Back to the top of the range. We just need a breakout of the range to get that confirmation. Right now where it is, it's not great. We need a push. We need a push. We need to clear this level. Break this consolidation. It's not going to come down at all. I hope not. I hope not. My only thing is, I want to clear it, get a bottom wick, break the high, get a bottom wick on the new 4-hour, and then jump into some buys there. That's the plan. That's the plan. Even I forgot what you're talking about. Oh, yeah. That's not even the one. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this. But there's still a lot of time left. Still 20 minutes. Good, good, good. I think it's just a reaction to this resistance, why it's getting that bit of a pullback. Do I close here? Ooh. Oof. I don't want to make that decision for you. I don't want to make that decision for you. But my entry is really based on price closing above this resistance. Yeah. So where is your actual TP? That's a good question. Where's your TP at? Yeah, man, too much time left. This is not a nice pullback. This pullback's like, what, 100 pips? Where did it get to? 35. $51.97 is TP4. 5197 or 5097. That's a big TP. I would say if you're not sure about holding the full position, then lock in some and just let the runner do the rest. Because I know you've seen what runners can do. Oh, there we go. $600 at the moment. I'll lock some in soon. Yeah, not yet. Okay. Just be careful about chasing like a specific pound amount or profit amount, because what happens is you'll make. It's good to have like a target to hit. But what that target can do to you is say, all right, I want to squeeze more out of it, where when I should have gotten out. Do you know what I mean? I should have just locked in. But if your trade and the plan for your trade says it could go further, then hold. But never hold past where you actually plan to get out. Or use like money to like make your decisions. You should let the charts tell you like where makes sense. Yeah, it's looking good. As long as we can push past this. And we still have 15 minutes left. What I'm looking for is just a closure above this resistance. That's it. And then next candle, I'm in. I'm in. No, this is fire. Woo! Gone gold push. Yeah, you get me. I do lose out on profits when I try to squeeze more. Yeah. So the main thing with trading, I mean, I won't say the main thing with trading, but you want to take out, you want to have as little emotional decisions as possible. So you want pretty much all of your actions to be mechanical. And the best way to do that is to make decisions beforehand and not in the moment. So like I said, it's good to have a target and say, all right, if I hit 1,000, I'm out. But never try to, if you see something that makes sense or logical or like a little warning thing, then always take that, always like heed that. Plan for when price gets to a key level or anything like that, you know? But I mean, it's a nice trade. I still think gold is bullish, so I'm yeah. You know where I want to get in. I think gold has got further to go. I said at the beginning of the stream, I'm very bullish on gold today. And it seems like it's playing out. I wanted a strong 4-hour candle body. It looks like I'm going to get that. I want a closure above this resistance. We're heading that way. So, yeah, man. My first target is actually 50.75. So hopefully I can get this closure above and then, yeah, just get a nice push. Getting on a nice push. Continue up. Because a 4-hour over here then. Like, look, we've cleared these levels to the left. On Goldie. We've cleared it. Got all these, like, lower highs. Pushed up, pulling back. And I want to see this. I want to see this. I want to see it continue up. We've had a little pullback. I want to see the push. Look, 1 hour looks great. Looks a bit nicer than the 30-minute. So, yeah, man. Let's get some buys in. Hopefully. First on-stream trade in a month. I mean, I've given a lot of ideas and not executed. But the ideas are there. Just not the entries. Crazy, right? Well, let's go. Can someone really take impulse entry on this trade? I think the best entry, to be fair, was like here. So after we got a closure above this little resistance, we kind of had a breaker structure. We closed by these wicks, and then yeah, continued up. So this probably would have been, this would have been a really good entry actually, right here. Like up to the highs. That would actually been just about a 1-to-1 if you use the entry candle low as a stop loss. But you know me, I don't like buying into a resistance. That's my thing. Just got another buy signal for 50.34. Won't take it as I've got better positions. You have some really good entries where you are. You have some really good entries. Definitely. No, yeah, your entries are great. You got to be up, what? 300 pips from the first one. 250 from the second. Yeah, man, you could have a 1,000 pip day today. Not far off it. Your 49.97 is 0.15 lot. Oh, nice. Nice. So your account is compounding nicely. The account must be growing nice. I think the movement today as well is not as volatile as it has been last week. It's pretty steady today. We haven't had massive swings. I think the 5-minute candles haven't been like, well, no, some of them have been crazy, but they haven't really been too bad. Shit, that one's 170. Maybe I'm just getting used to it. I might be getting too used to it. Come on, golds. 6,000 target up to tomorrow morning. 6,000. No, I don't think 6,000 is that soon. I think definitely at some point this year, because I think the major news that's been pumping gold, like the war stuff, the tariffs, not really government shutdown. What else was there? Trump electing a new guy to the feds. That stuff is, I don't think we're gonna get like hit with, I don't think that news is gonna be as high impact as it was at the beginning of the year. Like January was extremely volatile. So yeah, I don't know if that continues, but we do need to see some. I wonder how much news is actually gonna move gold this week. The NFP, the CPIs. There's already a high probability of the rate cuts by June. 92% I think I saw. Which is, I mean, how much higher can it get? like worst case, CPI is really high, it's higher than expected, and then that lowers the chance of a rate cut, that would actually be bearish for gold. That would actually be bearish for gold, so that wouldn't even play into the buyer's bias. This is good, this is good, this is good. It's a good push. Five minutes left. Last 5 minutes in this 4-hour candle. Give us that last little closure above. Did it break that 4-hour high? Yep, that previous 4-hour high. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. So just want a little bounce. So a little pullback. Break the high, continue up. Boom. I was get at least 200 pips up to at least the next resistance, but really I want this 4-hour level up here. Nah, I wouldn't use the previous low as a stop. I'd use the entry candle low ideally. Maybe the 15, or at least start managing risk on the 15. But yeah, I wouldn't use the previous low. 260 pips. But it all depends if you get this closure above. But this? Yes. I need a closure above. Come on, gold. Don't do this. Trying to get ready here. Hopefully it doesn't just break the high and fly. Gold likes to do that. likes to do that. I just want a bottom wick. No bottom wick? Come on. Flipping hell. Stop loss is big. Yeah, I want this candle to make a bottom wick so I can use it for a stop loss, or at least the previous 15. If it can pull back a bit, pull back, stay above here, 50.31, and then continue up. But you know, I need a bottom wick, man, because what will happen is price will come down and create that, especially for this 4-hour candle. If it blasts off here, then I would anticipate that when it does come back down to create the bottom wick, after a strong push, it's going to drive down. Because that's what's been happening when we don't have 4-hour bottom wicks. You get a strong bearish body, and I don't want that. Come on, gold. Damn. That's why you wait for a bottom wick first. This is a tough one though, because all of these wicks here, like, even though we got that closure above, we still have a lot of wicks and we're still below these Asian highs. I think we had something like this last week. Was it last week or the week before? Where we just kept tapping Asian highs, but we didn't actually break above. I don't know where. Oh, it was around here, look. Yeah, we just weren't, it wasn't pushing. So I hope we don't get that today. I hope we don't get that today. Oh shoot, we're pushing up, we're pushing up. $40.5 is the break of the high. And then the stop loss, 60 pips. We're saying snatch a little 1-to-1. Only thing I don't like is the Asian highs, man. I'm not feeling it at all. Like, we didn't clear it. We closed above the resistance, but, you know, it's not a very strong closure. It did break the high of the previous candle. It did. It did. It's just the closure's not great. Let's see. As long as we can stay above. Candle's still trending bullish. We should be good. But 4-hour bottom wick. Looks like it's coming down to make a stronger one. Just got to be careful with entries here, I think. There's 5 high probability to push up then. I mean, yeah, there is a high probability. That's the fact that it broke the high, but stop loss. I want to use the entry candle low as a stop loss. That's really what I want. So if it can make a decent low and then flip and push, that would be great. Stop loss could be about 63 pips, or even using the previous 15-minute low. It would be 97 pips. All stops are big now. I mean, that depends what you call a big stop loss. Depends what you call a big stop loss. For me, at this point, with the way gold is, a stop loss over like 150 to 200 is probably big, but 100 pip stop loss seems to be pretty much the standard now. This is good. This is good. As long as this 15 doesn't break this previous low, it's not bad here. At 31.1. If it starts breaking lows, then yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Wait for better confirmation, I think. And it broke the low. Yeah, nah, I'm not feeling this. I'm not feeling this. Not feeling this. I don't like it. Ideally wanted to use at least a 15 low as a stop. but I think we might get some structure now. Pull back and then a push back up, something like that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it here, man. I'm gonna leave it here. Still waiting for, really, I did like the fact that we closed above this resistance, but it's not a very strong closure. We still have all of these top wicks to the left. And I would like for gold to push above Asian highs. I do still think there's a high probability that happens. Oh, are we getting a push now? Oh, wait. Got a decent bottom wick here for an entry. Hopefully it doesn't just pop. But I'm thinking an entry, re-break the high. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. What we got tomorrow? Tomorrow's retail sales. Retail sales at 1:30. Yeah, but for now, I just need gold. Like I said, if gold can push up a bit more, then I'll be looking to get in. But yeah, I'm not gonna force anything just yet. I need a solid closure above. But because if the 4-hour does re-break this high, then yeah, I think we get a good push up. So there'll be definitely some more buy opportunities in a bit. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, yeah, I'll be in a Discord. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining. And be safe out here today. As always with gold. All right, peace out. Oh, gold is dropping.